In this video, we're going to have a look at creating a metal grill inside the well. So what we need to do is to go to the component model in place. There are a number of ways of doing this, I'm sure, but this is just the one I've picked for this video. I'm going to select generic model, click OK, and I'll call it a grill. And then I'm going to set my work plane. So pick a plane. So this is the level at which the grill is going to be. You may have wished to create another work plane to select if you wanted to, but I'm just going to use that work plane there and then look at it on the site plan view. And by here I am. So I've hidden the roof in this view so I can see clearly. I'm going to create an extrusion. Just a quick little, there we go. Element is too small. Okay, we'll just redo that a little bit and let's go to a different scale. 1 to 20 even. And let's try that again. There we go. Change the size, 5mm. Extrusion start and end, 0 and 5mm there. That's fine. And I'll move that one across a little bit. So it's a bit closer to the edge. Okay. Next, I want to tick. So there's our first one done. And now I'm going to create an array of those. Number of them, I'll try 30. And we'll go from there and 75mm apart each. There we go. All right then. Let's just see if I got, oh yeah, I got a couple extras there I don't need, so I can delete those. Now these obviously need to all extend a little bit. Now because I'm doing this below the top of the actual wall, I don't have to worry about being quite so precise because these are just hidden. And just extending each of these up into that wall. So this is just going to take a minute. It'd be nice if you could drag all of these in one go, or a few of them, but it doesn't seem to like you trying to do that. Yeah, you could probably just skip a little bit in the video here just till I get to the end of these. Okay, so we've got them all going one way. What I'm going to do now, multi-select over them like that, and then I'm going to rotate and tick the copy command. I'm going to place my own one, and I'm just going to find the center of my circle, which is somewhere in here. If you're struggling to find it, then it should come up as a circle. There it is. Got it. Click it. And then just rotate them 90 degrees. There we go. And then we can finish the model, have a little look at it in our 3D view, and now we can see we've got that steel grille around the actual well there to stop people from falling in. Hope you enjoyed the video.